Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a GIF using Canva, and the best part, we'll do it in just a few minutes. Canva is an incredibly versatile tool, perfect for creating eye-catching visuals, and making a GIF is no exception. Let's jump right in. First, head over to Canva's homepage. Once you're there, click the Create button at the top. This opens up a variety of design options and templates. In the search bar, type Animated. This filters Canva's templates to show designs perfect for dynamic content like GIFs. Next, click on Animated Social Media. These templates are designed to grab attention, especially on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Pick one that inspires you. Now it's time to add some flair. On the left-hand menu, click Elements. Here, you'll find a ton of graphics, shapes, and designs. Scroll down to Stickers. These are animated elements that bring your GIF to life. Just drag your favorite sticker onto your template. Resize it or move it around to get it exactly where you want. To control the animation, adjust the duration of your GIF. Simply drag the page left or right to change how long each frame displays. This lets you control the pacing perfectly. Once your design looks great, head to the top right corner and click Share, then Download. In the download options, choose GIF as your file type. Even if MP4 shows up by default, make sure to select GIF. This ensures your design exports as a shareable animated GIF. And that's it. With just a few clicks and a bit of creativity, you've turned a simple Canva template into a captivating GIF ready to share. Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn. Go create some amazing GIFs and bring your ideas to life.